Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to download an image from Google Maps. This is a handy trick when you want to save a photo of a location for reference, planning a trip, or just keeping a visual reminder of a place you're interested in. Well, let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you to the main Google Maps interface where you can search for any location around the world. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to find a location that has photos available. You can either search for a specific place or simply browse the map until you find something that interests you. After you've found a location with photos, click on it. This action will bring up a panel on the left side of your screen showing all the details about that location, including its name, address, reviews, and other relevant information. This panel is your central hub for everything related to that particular spot. Now scroll down through this left side panel until you locate the Photos and Videos section. This is where Google displays user-uploaded images and Street View photos of the location. You'll typically see a grid or carousel of images that give you different perspectives of the place. Once you've found the Photos and Videos section, click on any photo that you'd like to download. This will open the image in a larger view, making it easier to see the details and confirm it's the one you want to save. At this point, the photo should be displayed prominently on your screen. Look at the top of the screen where you'll see the name of the location or photo. Right beside this name, you'll notice three dots, which represent a menu icon. Click on these three dots to reveal additional options for interacting with the photo. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Report a Problem. Now, I know this might seem counterintuitive since you're not actually reporting an issue, but this option happens to be the workaround that allows you to access the full resolution image. When you click this, it will open a new tab in your browser. In this new tab, you'll see the photo displayed as part of Google's problem reporting interface. Here's where the magic happens. Right-click directly on the photo itself, and from the context menu that appears, select Save Image As. This option allows you to download the image to your computer. A dialog box will pop up asking you to choose where to save the file and what to name it. Type in a file name that makes sense to you, something that will help you remember what the image is later. Once you've entered your desired file name, click Save. Give it a moment to download and the image will be stored in your chosen location. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded an image from Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.